Hi, ninth graders. This is a screencast on how to do a screencast. First, you can use the magnifying glass to open up QuickTime Player. And you'll see that I have my screen set up so I have the website that I'll be evaluating on the left and the escape method that you'll be using to evaluate the website on the right. You have the option to only show the website that you're evaluating, but you can have this open so that, well, you know what to use for your instructions as you're evaluating the website. So to start QuickTime Player, you just go to File and you would click on New Screen Recording. It doesn't let me do it now because I'm doing a screen recording, of course, but it'll come up with a little control panel that looks like this. And right here you can make some choices. I would choose internal microphone, and also lets you choose to highlight your cursor, which I like to do when I'm making these videos. And then it'll let you, when you press the red button, it gives you the option to select the part of your screen that you want to show while you're doing your screencast. So I would have just selected this screen, this whole side. And then it gives you a play button and you can do all your talking, like here's this fabulous website. Let me talk about the evidence first. There is verifiable information. It seems to coincide with other things I've learned, things like that. You go through all of your different criteria. And then when you're done with your video, you press this little button up here at the top to stop your video, and it'll give you an option to listen to it or watch it, and then also to upload it. And you can upload it either to your drive, your Google Drive, or you can upload it to your school YouTube channel. And then just make sure, whichever way you do it, the privacy settings are public so that someone could watch it if they had the link. And test the link, make sure to test it and make sure that that works. And then you would put the link right into your process HyperDoc. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Bye.